Good morning, student. Welcome to our third part of lesson Nina and the Baby Sparrow. Before listening the explanation, all of you take out your pencil and notebook because today it is your last part of this lesson. After completing the lesson, I will ask some more questions with you, which you have to note down in your notebook. Okay. Now I am going to start our rest part of the lesson Nina and the Baby Sparrow. First I will read it for you and after that I will explain the lesson. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked, and how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? Yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Pratibha Nath. Pratibha Nath is the name of the writer of this story. And student, listen very carefully the explanation of the lesson, because after completing the explanation I will ask with you more questions. Okay. In our last videos I explained you that there is a girl whose name is Nina. Her aunt is getting married. Her all family members are going to attend the marriage. है ना? They are going to the Delhi to attend the marriage. So Nina's mother take her to the market to buy new clothes for wedding, but Nina not buy anything. When her mother asked the reason, she start crying. Then again her mother asked with her. Then she told her mother that, "Mother, there is a sparrow's nest in my room." After that, Nina is saying, they are just beginning to get their feathers. Nina is telling to her mother, "Mother, they are means baby sparrows. Baby sparrows are growing. The feathers are coming out from their bodies, and because they are growing, so they need more food, so they feel hungry very much. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food." That two baby sparrows cry chip chip. Why they cry chip chip? They are cry chip chip for food. Chip chip means they are asking for food. "I see," said mother. Nina's mother said, "I see." I see means, oh, I understand. Okay. If we go, the whole place will be loud. Again, Nina explained her problem. "Mother, if we will go for wedding, we will go to attend the wedding, the whole place means our house will be loud, and my room is also will be loud. Then, and how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies?" And she asked with her, if the room will be loud, then how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? How will they give food to their babies? Okay. "Oh, Nina," cried mother, giving her a big hug. Nina's mother hugged to Nina and she said, "Oh, Nina." She was happy to know that her daughter is a good girl. She is bothering about the baby sparrows. She is happy with Nina. So she said, "Oh, Nina, is that why you don't want to go to the wedding?" Now her mother said, "Oh, okay, this is your problem. That's why you are not going to the wedding. But that's no problem at all." Then her mother said, "But it is not a very big problem. We will leave the window open." What she said? Her mother said, "Nina, don't worry. We will leave the window open." "Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really?" Now, after hearing the answer of his mother, Nina excited. Now she became happy and she asked this question happily, "Can we, mother? Can we means, can we leave the window open?" "Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside." Her mother said, "Don't worry, you Nina. We will remove all your things which are kept in the Nina's room." Her mother is saying, "We will take out all those things from the room and lock the door from outside, and we will leave the window open, so the house will be perfectly safe. If we will leave the only window open and lock the door on the outside, so it will be perfectly safe, and Papa and Mama Sparrow can come and go freely. Papa and Mama Sparrow can come and go freely to feed their babies. From where? From the window. Papa and Mama Sparrow can come and go from the window to feed their babies. Just think, Nina, what her mother said. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Her mother said her, when you are enjoying the wedding marriage ceremony, the baby will grow nicely in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. When Nina came back from the wedding, when she came in her room, she saw 2 plump. Plump means fatty. Okay, you can say fatty. 2 fatty little sparrows were flying in her room. Which sparrows was that? That sparrows was baby sparrows. Now they grown up. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Now Nina become happy after seeing the 2 little baby sparrows. Not baby. Now they grown up. They are sparrows. Okay. Now thank you, children. Today you are having your worksheet true and false. These are your true and false which I did for you. Okay, you have to do this work continuously after previous work. Okay, then here is think and write. How do baby sparrows eat? This is a question which you have to do yourself, but today I did this work for you. How do baby sparrow eat? Papa and Mama Sparrow put the grains in their mouth. You can write here beak also. Okay, but I written here mouth. Then they eat. They eat after every half an hour, and they eat very little. Now this question I did for you. Here is one more question. This is your question number 1, and this is your question number 2. This question you have to do yourself. You can write anything. Now listen your question. What new things would you like to wear? I written here 2 times 2. I am cutting it. Okay. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? Which dress you like to wear for a wedding? Here in the answer of this question you have to write your choice. You will start your answer like this. I would like to wear. Suppose I have to go to for a wedding, so I will like to wear a sari. Okay, it's sari is my choice, not your. Here question, this question I am asking with you. You can write here your favorite dress, which dress you like to wear. Okay, you can write your favorite dress, favorite color. You can write here about your shoes and the color of the shoes. Ribbon, girls can write ribbon, hairband. Girls having so many things to wear for a wedding. Same, boys also can write cap and jacket. But you start your answer with I would like to wear. Then you write your answer as you wish. It is depend upon you. Okay. Now after this is your homework. This question is your homework, and one more homework I am giving to you. This is your make sentence. Now this time you have to do all the make sentence yourself. I will not do it for you. I will tell you only verbally. If you want to note, you can note down all the sentence in your notebook. Your first word is market. What is a market? Market is a place where you can buy everything. You have to use this word in your sentence. For example, I am making a sentence for you like, my mother is going to the market to buy a new frock for me. Understand? You can write yourself your own sentence. Second is problem. There is no problem at all in this lesson. You have to make all the sentence yourself. Third is dress. You can write about your dress to make the sentence here. Okay. Fourth is lovely. In your first lesson, Magic Garden, in that lesson also we use the same word lovely. So you have to make a sentence with this word lovely. Then nest, and last is wedding. Okay, I hope you can make all the sentence, not very long sentence. You can make very small sentences also. Now student, please pay attention which I am going to tell you. Look at here. This work is not done in your worksheet. This is your extra work which I am going to explain you. You have to all these words, you have to keep all these words in your mind. Look at here. These are the short form of the words. Don't, D-O-N, comma ye T. Okay. The full form of this word is do not. What's means what is. Theirs means there is. They are means they are. We will means we then will. That's means that is. Isn't. Isn't means is not. Was. Sorry, you not seen these now. I will repeat it again for you. That's means that is. Isn't. Isn't means is not. Wasn't. Wasn't means was not. These all words I take from your lesson Nina and the Baby Sparrows. So don't forget all these short form of the words. Okay, don't is the short form of do not. You have to keep all these words in your mind. Don't forget these words. Now the time of some extra questions. Some extra questions I am going to ask with you. You have to note down these questions in your notebook. I told you na, before starting our video, I told you take out your pencil and notebook to note down some work. So I am giving you some more questions which you have to note. Okay, I am asking the question, you note down. Your first question is how many members are there in Nina's family? This is your first extra question. Okay, how many members are there in Nina's family? Done. Now second. Ready, student? Second question. Second question for you. Note down. What things Nina's mother asked her to buy? What things Nina's mother asked her to buy? What things Nina's mother asked her to buy? Find out the answer from this paragraph. This is hint for you. Okay. Now, question third. Question 3 is, where was sparrow's nest? Where was the sparrow's nest? Question 3 is, where was the sparrow's nest? Done, student? Now fourth question is, why the baby sparrows cry chip chip? This is your fourth question. Why the baby sparrows cry chip chip? Now question number 5. Who were flying all over the room? Who were flying all over the room? Who were flying? Look at here. Who are flying? You have to write the answer of this question, these questions yourself. Okay, who were flying all over the room. Now sixth question. It is a very good question. As you know, rainy season is started, but the last month, the month of June, it was the month of summer. This question is based on summer season. Your sixth question is, how do you help a bird in summer season? Done. Now I am repeating again. How do you help a bird in summer season? These are 6 questions for you which you have to do yourself. Okay, student, I hope you can write the answer of all these questions. You can do all the answers yourself. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video carefully. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.